So here you can see I have a background image, a CSS file and HTML file. And let me just import it, and you can see here is the image, and then you can see the HTML file. Let me just import this CSS file at first. So here under the title I will add link here, and in the reference I will say okay. Now I will go to the body section. In body section you can see we have div, and here I will add header 1, and let's write here this is hero div. So let me just give a class here. If I go to the browser and refresh it, and you can see hero div. So let me just run server from here. So go to the view option here, and then type here server, and so this is the server. And now if I write something in if I change it, now it will change automatically. Now let's give a class here, and let's name it hero, and let me just access it in CSS file. So hero, and I will set background color, and here I will set an image, background image URL, and then in the URL I will say bg.jpg. Here I will say background size should be cover. And now go to the browser, and here you can see we have added the image, but a small portion you can see only. Okay, I don't need this, so just remove it. And here I will say position relative, and I will say top 0. So it will responsive our page, I mean image, but you can see we cannot show it. So let me just do CSS for the body and HTML. Mention here relative, so body and HTML become parent for hero for this div. So I will say here height 50%, and now you can see we have shown 50% of the image. So let me just set here 100%. Now you can see the full image, and this is also responsive, as you can see. Now let's do CSS for the text. So I want this text to be centerized, so I will set that text align center, but for the center position I will set the position absolute, and I will say left and top 50%. See, our text is in the center of the div, in the middle of the div, right?